Imagine this. You're in a conversation and the words are flowing effortlessly. No awkward pauses, no second guessing, no scrambling for the right words. Just confidence. You sound natural, fluent. Almost like a native speaker. But right now, maybe you hesitate. You translate in your head before speaking. You know so many words, but when it's time to talk, it's like your brain freezes. Don't worry. You're not bad at English. You've just been learning it the wrong way. But today, I'm giving you the cheat codes, techniques so effective it almost feels unfair. If you use these, fluency will come faster than you ever imagined. Let's go. The baby learning hack. Speak first, fix later. Think about how babies learn languages. They don't study grammar books. They don't memorize vocabulary lists. They listen, repeat, and make mistakes. And that's exactly what you need to do. Forget grammar at first. If you focus too much on rules, you'll hesitate every time you speak. Fluency comes from confidence, not from perfection. Mimic, don't memorize. Listen to native speakers and copy their way of speaking, their rhythm, their tone. Watch movies, interviews, or podcasts in English and repeat what they say. You don't need original thoughts yet. Just copy and train your mouth. Mess up proudly. When you were a kid, did you stop speaking your native language because you made mistakes? No. You corrected yourself over time. Do the same with English. If a 2-year-old can learn a language without grammar lessons, why can't you? Speak first, fix later. The hidden English method. You already know more than you think. Did you know you probably already understand thousands of English words? Even if you don't realize it, English is hiding everywhere in your life. Think in English, not your native language. If you see an object, don't translate it in your head. Say the English word instantly. Use English in daily life. Change your phone settings, write your grocery list, even think about your plans for the day. All in English. Talk to yourself. No partner. No problem. Narrate your day in English. I'm making tea. Smells good. I should add sugar. This tricks your brain into natural fluency. If someone catches you talking to yourself, just say, I'm in a meeting with my English skills. Never mind. The fast fluency formula. Turn passive learning into active speaking. Most people think they're practicing English, but they're only consuming it. Watching YouTube videos, reading books, even listening to podcasts, it's passive learning. It won't make you fluent unless you turn it into speaking practice. For every minute of listening, spend 1 minute speaking. If you watch a video, pause and summarize it in English. Shadowing technique. Play an English sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly as the speaker said. Same speed, same tone, same pronunciation. This rewires your brain for fluency. Record yourself and compare. Ever heard your voice on a recording and thought, do I really sound like that? Use it to improve your English. Record a sentence, compare it to a native speaker, and adjust. Final push. The people who learn English the fastest are not the smartest. They're the ones who speak the most. Don't just watch. Don't just listen. Even if it's not perfect. Conclusion. The shortcut to fluency. Let's be real. Most people will watch this video, think, wow, great tips, and then do nothing. But not you. You want results, right? Then start right now. Speak first, fix later. Don't let grammar slow you down. Unlock the English hidden in your life. Use it every day in small ways. Stop just watching and start speaking. Shadow, summarize, and record. Now, here's your challenge. Comment below in English. What's the biggest problem you face in speaking fluently? Let's fix it together. And remember, the only difference between you and a fluent English speaker is practice. So start today, and soon you'll be so good, it'll feel illegal.